Welcome to our science class. Today we will be having more fun in doing our activities in science. I hope that you too will find it exciting and enjoyable as well. So if you are ready, let's now begin our science class. Our topic for today, kids, is all about heavy and light objects. The weight of different things vary or differs. It means that there are objects or things that are heavy and there are objects that are light or not heavy. Let's say, for example, a stone is heavy and a paper is light. So in your activity on page 22 of your science book, it says here, write down in the box the numbers 1, 2, and 3 to arrange in sequence the objects falling to the ground first. So in here we have a ball, a tissue paper, and a leaf. So what do you think will fall to the ground first? Is it the ball, the tissue paper, or the leaf? You can actually try doing them at home. So of course, what will come down first is the ball. Why? Because it is heavier than the tissue paper and the leaf. Apart from that, it also has a spherical shape. So in this one, you are going to write 1 on this box. Now how about the tissue paper and the leaf? Which falls to the ground first? Okay? So what falls to the ground first is the leaf. The leaf is heavier than the piece of tissue paper. So in here you are going to write number 2. And of course, for the tissue paper, you are going to write here number 3. Now let's move on to this one. It says here, color the pictures to match the experimental results. So in here, you have to have your color pencils. So number 1, it asked, which of the following is the heaviest object? Is it the ball, the tissue paper, or the leaf? Okay, so the heaviest object is the ball. So what you are going to color is the ball. So it falls to the ground first. How about number 2? Which is the lightest object? Is it the ball, tissue paper, or leaf? The lightest object is of course the tissue paper. It falls to the ground slower. So you are going to color the tissue paper. Okay, remember kids? There are heavy objects and there are light objects. Some objects falls to the ground first because they are heavier. And some objects falls to the ground last or slower because they are lighter. Now let's move on to page 23 of your science book. We are going to talk about what are utensils made of? Or what are things made of? Things can be made of different materials. They can either be made of wood, steel, or plastic. So in this particular activity, kids, what you are going to do is draw lines to connect the object with the matching words. So we have here the objects. We have here a box, a chair, and a frying pan. How about the words? What are the words in which we should match them? We have here wood, steel, and plastic. We also have here a padlock, a table, and a foot rule. So let's take the first picture. We have here a box. Looking at the picture, what do you think is this material made of? Is it made of wood, steel, or plastic? Good job! This box is made of plastic. That is why we call it a plastic box. So you have to draw a line from the plastic box to the word plastic. Next, chair. Okay, you can see here a chair. What is this chair made of? Very good. It is made of wood. So what you are going to do is, again, to draw a line from the chair to the word wood. The next one is this one, a frying pan. Looking at the picture, what do you think is this material made of? Good job! It is made of steel. So you are going to draw a line from this point to the word steel. How about this padlock? Is it made of wood? No. Is it made of steel? Yes. So you are going to draw a line from this point to the word steel. How about this table? What is this table made of? Is it made of plastic? No. This table is made of wood. You are doing great, kids. So this table is made of wood. Now what we are going to do is to draw a line from this point to the word wood. The last one is a foot rule. What do you think is this utensil or material made of? Is it made of plastic? Good job! Yes, it is made of plastic. So you are now going to draw a line from this point to this point. Okay, so remember, kids, materials can either be made of wood, steel, or plastic. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed your activity. Great job, kids! You did very good today. Next time, I'm pretty sure that you will do better. So I hope you will again stay with me for our next science class and do the activities that are exciting and enjoyable. Bye-bye for now.